Okay, Rainey, I think I got it. What I did was I went and got that piece of quarter sawn white oak that I have, and all I did was I sanded it. It wasn't rough sawn, so it wasn't too bad. So I sanded the surface with the 180 grit. It's actually the sandpaper that you sent me on my 1632 sander. And then I put it in the machine with a little bit higher power setting, and what I did was I first ran horizontal lines, and then the second went back. I increased the power just a little bit more, and then I went and ran vertical lines. That's what you see in the video, that where the smoke and everything is. Incidentally, I don't smoke up the shop. I had the cover open, and that's why you could see the smoke, but that it gets exhausted outside. I've got a 4-inch exhaust port exhausting everything outside. So, but I think it looks pretty good. After I took it out of the machine, I ran it through the 1632 again, because the smoke with a little bit of an air blow puts a lot of residue on top of the wood, so you have to sand that off. Very light sanding, not much at all, just to clean up the top surface. Then I wiped it with mineral spirits, and I think overall it came out looking pretty good. So let me know what you think about it. Give me a call, leave a message or whatever, and then I'll take care of it this week, and I'll send it out to you. Okay? So thank you for the challenge. I think it was well worthwhile. I learned something, and you get something good. So give me a call. Let me know. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.